Big up on yourself, you know good?
Alright.
Boy, you not go work for this a weekend with this setup. I'm sorry for you. But you better get 10 more smarty.
Lovely owner, she's coming around.
What's she there? Oh my word. You see your staff member them I show you up and I say, woo! I just look like I say, I'm tired. I'm Jamaica Walk By. I'm currently streaming live.
And we have the favorite one that is always going fast and Old Harbour Road, Manpower. Yes, they have the almond peanut granola oats. Yes, flaxseed, flower seed, pumpkin seed.
You have that one there available, you know?
Every time.
No other one. They want to try the Manpower.
Yeah, Manpower.
Power.
Yes.
Yeah,
I'll make it for you.
You'll make it for me?
Yes.
So especially I'm going to put you my little secret tonight.
Yeah, man, all the time.
Jesus. Oh there, over there, round there. Last it now. What then call you? Finey? You say a little bit?
Walk by?
Yeah, I mean this is Manpower. Cheese and peas.
Manpower, so taste it and see.
Power up. Man must be man. We don't want a jelly back. No. Ah! That's why we say power up. By mommy. Cafe latte, right by Old Harbour Road, the car, me sorry, you understand? Let me try it. 10 out of 10. Jesus, please, so good man. Oh my word. Get one. Wagwan. A big business this right also. So, me I show you which part all of the goodies, the good stuff them located. You understand? Franchi Barlow walk and talk, she'll get something special. Tell the viewers and subscribers.
Yes, Mr. Walk and Talk, thanks for having me. I am Sukari, owner and creator for Forever Bunny, products which are made from natural ingredients like sea moss, turmeric, aloe vera, oatmeal, lavender, and we have some facial oils also.
What's going on?
This is complimentary.
Are we now say so on the house? Me see you put 1, 2.
I'm giving you the one sell about we sell it off here.
Alright, cause you know me a stream.
Yes.
So massive you can see why you know your father and come support her and make sure say she did it. Oh my word, thank you so much. Look at that. Oh my word. So cheese and peace. Look good. I feel so blessed. That's why I keep on doing what I do, you know. You understand? So good people out there like me. So I want to just forward to her and say, you know, say a Jamaica Walk By, make me see you. And I decide to me I can support you for what you do. No one buy something too. Lexi, you finish? Alright. No one. Huh? Yeah, it's my wife. Whoa. Alright, so we have fluffy green plant nursery. You understand? Yeah. Tons of variety of plants, food and vegetable. Whoa. See how you ball out jelly? Jelly I said like hot bread.
Yeah, man, jelly there
you see what go on?
And you not drink no jelly. That means, you know, they are Denbigh.
What go on, my brother? Everything I heard? Yeah, so
try to get something.
me I go come circle you there, I get it right.
Yeah, man, alright.
Alright, let's see how word, my boss. Alright.
I've been waiting for someone to come out with this feature forever.
Alright, all you need to do now, I public it. It on now. How am I do wrong? Yeah? Hold this, Lexi. Lex, you don't want to talk all of this, you know, it can go at the front.
She no member of it. Go up on the edit.
Yeah, bless up, big up all massive. You don't know. We should be up and running right about now. Let me see what go on here. Let me see what's going on. Come in, we are going to some time to jump on. Let me see. Want to make sure that this is good. Let me see if everything good. If everything's good, I'm gonna give me one iris signal. Alright, blessed love. Big up to everybody we actually are joining right now. We're looking good, we're looking great. Tell me if you are there good. I'm sitting and stream live today, you know, so them are going to see what go on. Yeah, that way them can know say see what go on right now, so that's them for come out. The boy jerk on the right, that's our gas up and thing. So all massive Denbigh 2026. And we're live down here on the ground. You understand? Tell them to forward now, man.
Yeah, man, forward at them, man.
Yeah.
You don't know every year is a every year thing.
Yeah.
Forward, man.
We say they are straight till Sunday.
Sunday are a big day. The day me go there right way because we're on the outside out. Sunday me go there new mixed mood.
Oh, new mixed mood, you go there inside.
Yeah, inside. Official thing.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah,
all
man,
right then.
The whole team, that's it.
Alright, I'm not saying. Are you like a years or two?
No, I'm generally inside or so.
Oh, I'm going to take a 5 or a 10.
Alright.
Alright, my boss, I see a word. So to everybody we jump on, you know what I mean? Blessings and respect, art and love. Thank you so much for joining. I'm currently there with the wife, you know what I mean? Whole heap of little thing. Jamaica intent. She looking gorgeous, she looking beautiful as usual. You know what I mean? We are drawing one whole heap of amper and thing.
Pink, whole heap of egg party.
Whole heap of
Pang.
You understand? So, yeah, massive. Big up to everybody we join. You don't know, I just want to say big up to Miss Cadine Sterling. Big up to Minor GS, always up on the channel, I go on all our vibes, scene with all our energy. So there are lots of different things when it comes on to Denbigh 2026, and always when it comes on to Denbigh. You understand? There are clothes selling from all different size, every kind of pattern. There are toys for the kids. There's so much going on. You can get from a pin to an anchor. You can get cane. You have plants selling on this side as well. So it's not about just the inside, but it also on the outside. When it comes on to parking, there is ample parking on both sides. On the other side over there, you will have parking all the way down. Also, you will have persons parking on over by the school, right? The next thing I want to say is this stretch of road here is now one way. You understand? As I say, the kids them are gear up and thing. This is now one way going to the direction of footpaths. You understand? So remember, if you drive anywhere along here, you can't turn back. See? As you can see, the barricade them up the road. So loads of people selling on the outside. You can get even popcorn. Loads of food, from jerk chicken to soup, fried chicken, everything. But remember, Denbigh is a family event, so it is all about toys, plants, it's an agricultural show. So it's all about plants mainly. So grow your own food, them teach you a lot of things when you forward onto, a lot of things being agricultural wise. Big up to the agricultural minister to make sure that this keep every single year. Yep. Loads of good afternoon. Loads of preparation going. As you can see, this is a massive canteen. So you can definitely, that would be nice. I'm gonna come by you. Alright, so I'm just telling all my viewers and subscribers everything when it comes on to Denbigh and as to why them supposed to be at Denbigh 2026. I'm going to show them to a pin to an anchor,
Okay.
So this is your booth right here.
My boot, and it's a big thing.
Missy says it luge.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
It lock way, it slap way.
Whole heap of shine pattern base sitting. So what are you going to be doing today?
Alright, so here we're having our nice little tent. So we're having rice and peas and chicken. Stew pork, curry haggard, fried chicken, soup. That's cow skin soup with red peas, and we have all of the different kind of juices. Them all of the baddest chefs we have on the land. Blood. One blood. Big up yourself, large. Everybody out here so large. I would upon the thing. We do the thing today, and that we say. Come support Denbigh 2026. One Denbigh, one me pen. Laku it they saw.
Me never catch your name. Me not tell me your name.
Jesus, I'm Paulette and I'm out.
Mr. say you forget your name because we're not too used,
Yeah, because we don't want them know we like that, you see me? So we have to support, we have to cover with thing. Yeah. Big up my sister from overseas, so they are go and roll all the thing.
Yeah.
Large Jamaica art, we are burn up down your saw.
Yeah,
but we love it.
Art, I love my teacher. So with the it's a vibe, it's great. And this is Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, that is it. So it's beautiful, tons of things going on, as me can tell you. See our grandfather here. Papa, tell me how much you rate the watermelon there out of 10. How much you that give?
3.
3?
3.
You saying already?
Oh, out of 10.
You out of
6.
10? 6?
Yeah.
Or 6 out of 10?
Yeah,
Alright then, he passed still.
Eh?
He passed then?
Yeah, man, he passed.
Alright then. Are you first time at Denbigh?
No one. But we've for a long time.
Oh, so you live here?
No, St. Elizabeth.
Alright, my godfather, man. We say you enjoy watermelon?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, it tastes good, honestly. We got it 8 out of 10.
You give 8?
Yeah, man.
That's
nice.
Good, man. Red and pretty.
Yeah, man, it really red and pretty.
Look at that. Hold them, Papa. Right. Yeah, man. So it's Denbigh 2026. Hope everything is alright. Everybody having a nice time. We have toys over here. Selling some fresh fruits as well. What make you hide from the camera? Don't hide, man. Good day. Blessed love. You understand? Whole heap of thing I go on. Love it. Even a sound system you will have here. This is here every single year. So the kids them can bounce. And you can get every kind of alcohol beverages right here. What me DJ them, I never see him. Big up yourself. Yeah. You have toys over here selling igloo full of juice. Yes, man. That's a code, and jerk chicken I go and sell. Everywhere you go find jerk chicken. Right here, so now it look like underneath the juicy beef tent, but it's not juicy beef under there. What you selling? I say loaded fries. It look like you can get slushies. Look like you can get barbecue wings, popcorn, hot dog, whole heap of shit. Where's the place at? Yeah, go on. You're there straight till Sunday. Nice. All right then. So massive, see on the seat. Loads of things you can afford. No, we actually are stream right now.
Yeah man, match up a bad stream. You see it, match up a bad stream. You look here now. On the stay tuned. One Demo X, one DDEMOX. You see me? Follow the dog to G50 pan up. Put the dog in it. You see me? We are artists. You see me? Me a pen artist. I want to see we. Remember me telling you this man.
Man, how the Instagram go?
How the Instagram go? One Demo X, same way man. One DDEMOX _ one loyalty. Yeah? So just put in that. Yeah?
Man. Blessings, my teacher. Man. And what name again?
G50. One G50.
A bad name I got it up. Where's them tough?
Yeah man, we have whole heap of collab out there man. Whole heap of collab.
See my name G50 on the ground.
One G50.
That's one G50.
Yeah man, 658. Wow. TikTok, Instagram, anything. Audio Mac, everything. Believe man. 658. You want to find a song?
That code. Yeah that.
We have a bus soon man.
So you audition for the Maypen talent show yet?
No.
You have to dip on, that one audition go on yesterday, you understand? I wanted that one afford. Oh my word, a big thing, music video, all sort of sitting, cash prize, be a sitting man, you understand? Alright, big up on us. Just, alright, you see the barbershop at Bargain Village upstairs? I'll him a one-night promoter, so you just go up there and just get the next audition date. See it? I'm mad sitting man, but outside, every time. So yes, I'll go on good, you see me? Big up and respect. Whoa, slushy a blend out and a go on good. Let me see the prices, what we can have right. So curry, goat, roti, chicken and chips, loaded fried burger, combo, a whole heap of something. Prices them look nice and thing too as well. You can get all of them food there. You can see a whole heap of food for less than $1,000. Quick deal, you know what I mean? Big sales, small profit, not true? Big up and respect, my friend. So it is a vibe. Nice kickstart, you know what I mean? So remember, if you're just a giant, please may I ask you to subscribe to the channel. This is how we are doing it. Whole heap of beverages. As me say, sun hot, so people go just a drink like you don't have no sense. What we are going out over here? So me see you crush ice. You crush ice and all. What go on? Talk to me. What you doing?
So I'm making snow cone.
A snow cone?
Yeah man.
Yeah man, where's the original way?
Original.
Like when you're a 6-year-old?
Yeah.
Oh my word. So we have snow cone. Also you can get all the different beverages. Oh you go? S&J?
Party rental, you know?
Okay, so S&J Party Rental. You're on Instagram, right?
Yeah.
That's a code, man. You mean? So all of your rental need for your party, me say popcorn machine, as you can see snow cone and thing. That's great.
Trampoline and the bounce about.
Trampoline.
Yeah.
Alright, so later on they don't know say a mad thing. Trampoline for all like kids. How much you got in that trampoline?
Let me say now, $250.
Right the whole day. She never answer that one, I'm not wrong you. Now make you set it up, yo. Yeah. Blessings over here. So me teach manners. Every time, whole heap of business, whole heap of igloo. Mr. Juice there, we can't done them, trust me. If we son hot, we just have to go out. We not go a drink, you know, we are going to drink. Yeah, man. So let's go, Massive, we are going on the inside right about now.
Buy half dozen water from me.
And buy half dozen water from you? Yeah. Well, a half dozen. Blow, with me alone?
No.
Which are you there? Are your business this? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, so my teacher want me buy a half dozen water from him. I don't know how I go do that. But I go send the people them forward here. Yeah, what you have in that pan? Eh? Are you your chicken too?
No, chicken right now.
Oh, you just ready up?
Yeah.
Alright, then I see already. Everything blessed?
Yes, man, yes.
I love, man, every time. Let's go. Lexi, we're doing it. It's a beautiful day. Where's your phone? Oh, I want you to check it, but please use your data so I can see what I go on, same speed. So I say we actually go up on the inside right about now. I know some probably are talking at the comment section and thing. So jumping at me and organize the thing right way so I can get to see what I say. So today is Friday, is the first day of the Denbigh Agricultural Show here in Clarendon. To enter, it is Lexi, let's get it right. It's what, $1,500 for adults? And Lexi not sure if it's $800.
For children ages 3 to 12 or 4, I don't remember.
Okay, alright, we're gonna find out a little bit.
Small toddlers are free.
So babies and small toddlers are absolutely free. So we not really, honestly, me not go telling you exactly what Denbigh is all about. Me I go show you. You understand? So me hope you enjoy the stream so far. We are trying one new thing, so make we see how it work out and thing. So this is gate 3 and this is where we will be entering from. You know what I mean? Yeah. Well, on a $5 that me see a ground, I can't pass, you know, man. See, I can't pass money them. You know what I mean? Look, them man, easy $5 this month trade like that. Yeah. Alright, let's go. The general have a whole barrel already a plant. Him nah wait. Can't wait. How about that there, cinnamon? Yeah, have a cinnamon and thing in there. Yeah, I want to find one of the tree there too. Cinnamon? Yeah, man. Which booth that? Yeah. Alright. Just turn and turn left there, so.
Yeah, right there. Well, so you see the light there, right there, so.
Alright then, mad. We are going to take a look in there too as well. Oh. Blessed. Good afternoon. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we see it right where you light up on the left. Yeah, man, you just push it barrel, sir. Where you say? We see it right where you see light there in there, so. You want to make sure. Teacher want to make sure. What don't worry yourself, I go and find it.
See it right there, sir.
Oh, right there, sir.
Right there, sir. Right there.
Oh, okay. Blessings and respect. So we're currently on the inside, and let's see how we're looking. Anything with them we want to set them differently, we can do it. So we're actually on the inside, and we're gonna just stroll around to almost everywhere that we can go. To be honest with you, you understand?
You look good.
Yeah. So let's do this.
You look good here.
Let me see. I know the chat a little bit. So I can see what I say. I'm going to big up some people too as well. Yeah, can turn. No, I don't want here. Oh, we have over 100 persons. This is nice. Alright. Big up to Mummy Kadeen Sterling every time, you know what I mean? Arthur Love, thank you so much for always here with Jamaica Walk By and thing. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Garden Center. Alright. Usually them have some name. Oh, see sign here. This is the one I'm looking for. Yeah. Alright, so Denbigh, welcome to Agriculture Village. So this we're going by the Agriculture Village right now. Let's do this. Lexi here, somebody just said goat milk is the best. And that Lexi one here. Hey! Alright, so make we stroll around. Over this side. Alright, nicely done. So there's plants, every kind of plant you can think of, you can get it here at Denbigh. As I said, today is the first day. It's early right now because you know it's so not people actually. The place massive, big. So sometimes we look like people not there, but there's a lot of persons here because this place is mad big. Alright, so where we at right now? Man. So we are going to be doing some shopping too as well because me are going to need lime tree, more orange tree. I don't need any mango tree at all because me can't work with the mango leaf. You get me? You get me? Yes. So let's do it like this.
Thank you.
Blessed greetings, greetings. Oh.
We need a taxi.
So let's stroll. Whoa, yo. Good day, good day, good day. Alright, so we can see some of the favorites too as well, even croton plants, we can see thyme, some basil mint as well. Loads of things going on so far. Yeah, so open the door, don't go anywhere. Anytime when I see the live jump off, don't go anywhere. We're still here. You see me? Alright, let me see. Blessed good day. How you doing? You're the person lock off this beautiful place right here?
Yes, I am. I am, yes.
What's your name? What is your name?
I am Petal Allen.
Oh, Peter, I remember you. Know?
Yes.
I remember I was talking to you the last time and I was like, wait, you have my name?
Yes, I remember you too. I remember.
So you get back your same spot?
Spot. 5,000. Same.
I take the talker phone and just walk us through and some of the stuff then that you have, like the ad sellers and what you want persons to be interested.
1,000. Okay. Today I have some rose. You want to look on them? We have rose. We have Italian cypress. We have bamboo apple. We have the American apple.
You have the American apple?
Yes. Golden delicious American apple. We have Asian pear, pond apple. We have white sapoti. We have mountain sap, pond apple, jabaticaba. We have jabaticaba. It bears on the trunk and it looks like grapes coming down on the trunk. We have rollinia. We have gimbilin, good old gimbilin, jackfruit, achachario. We have miniature June plum. We have our herbs corner right there where we have nutmeg, pimento. We have the bay tree. We have wampi fruit. Wampi. We have mami apple. We have mami sapoti also. We have longan. We have Fiji longan. We have canestel. Wax.
First, may I see some of them here, man?
Yes, man, exotic fruits. So we have the giant granadilla, dragon fruit. Yes.
Sweet. Look even purple.
Yes, we have the purple sweet sap. See, I have a sample of it on the wall up there. I pick it this morning off my tree.
Let me get the sample right here.
Yes. It's not ripe or anything, but I just picked it this morning.
This is a purple sweet sap. It's the first I'm seeing one of this kind. This one is not ripe?
No, that's not ripe. It's not even ready, but I just picked it
so people can see it.
People could see what it looks like. So we also have kiwi. We have mulberries. This one is even bearing. Yeah, this one is
bearing already.
This one bearing already, man. And we have, yes, the giant granadilla, cherry moya. We have miracle fruit, mulberry. We have, what's this again? I don't even remember the name of that one. We have abu. We have the purple custard apple too.
Purple custard apple.
Yes, loquat. We have governor's plum, pedalite.
Look what the governor's plum look like. Look at this one. First I'm seeing many of them.
We have.
I'm telling you, I just one over there well bearing already.
Yes,
it's ready to go home with us.
We also have black sapoti, yellow sapoti, white sapoti. The rose apple. We have rose apple. We have purple passion also. We have purple grapes, the one with the seeds.
So these plants, since it's so hot now than usual here in Clarendon?
Some of them I have them under a tree, but some of them I try to ensure that they can stay in the sun.
Okay.
Yes, I have fig too. I have a lot of figs. The yellow fig, and one that persons tend not to know is the Jamaican cherry.
Yeah.
Yes. This lady, lady bought one from me last year, and she came just now, and she was telling me about it here.
Yes.
You want to tell me?
Tell me a little bit about that one that you bought.
All right, so the
year.
Jamaican cherry that I bought last year, it's actually a big tree now.
Big tree.
Right? In the sense that from I bought it about like 2 months after, it started bearing.
Oh.
And now I can go around the back and I can pick up like at least a pound of cherry every single day. Right? Because it bears, it has blossom, it has young ones, it has fit ones, it has ripe ones, and it's like every single day.
I just water it regular.
Right, and it is, no, not really. I don't really water it. And the thing is that it is so sweet. It tastes like cotton candy. It just has this unique taste. It's something that Jamaicans don't know of, and I think it's something that every backyard should have, because at least it give you fruit all year round. Right. And especially for the kids, it's summer. Give them something to pick. Right. And then what I do is that I pick them and I freeze them. So when I want a snack, I just crunch them in. Like, I just have them as a snack.
Thank you so much for that, man. Thank you so much for that testimony. I looking right there, so, and you know, I see you have a lime. This is what lime, the lime tree in the pot bearing. Look at this. So we definitely, so let's say this one of these lime trees, one where we have to go get with the lime on it already, you know. Yeah, we're sure about it. Oh my word.
That's the tree that she was just telling you about, the Jamaican cherry. This is it, that it's bearing.
This one?
This one, if you look good, you'll see stuff on it. Yes. But when it's ripe, it's red. Alright? It's bearing.
We definitely have to try this. I don't know it.
These are the figs. And if you look on this one, it's a yellow fig. If you look on this one, it's bearing also.
So it eats something like the pear fruit? It kind of look like the pear fruit.
Inside have a guava-ish look.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it looks more like guava.
Can the Jamaican cherry stay in the pot, or you have to?
It can stay in the pot. I would put it in a bigger pot though. And if you plant it out, it will come up to a big tree. But you can cut it.
In the pot, it will bear still?
Yes, it bear because it's bearing now in the pot. It's bearing right now in the pot.
How much was this one bearing?
Oh my word, this is nice.
Okay, this 5.
So, yeah, so 5,000 for the plant. Very good. All right, Miss Petal Allen.
Yes.
Thank you for talking again. I soon come again. I walking around. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Blessed.
All right. My number is 876-791-4358.
All right.
Okay.
You can call Miss Petal and talk to her and get your plants as well.
Okay.
Art of love. Yeah, but me a stream I know we no say it I go and run. Yeah. But blessings, man, every time. Yeah. So. Yes, massive. Let me. So far so good. I am loving it. It is great to see that there is no rain today, because usually I don't know what the rain want to do to us. But give thanks, there is no rain today. So if you're there home right now and you feel homesick, Denbigh is definitely a place that you would like to be with the family. You understand? Can you rest these down for me? Yes. So yeah, massive, we could just walk around, talk to who we can talk to. There's so much booth. Yeah, man. But if you want, you can just keep it nice clear or bring it a little nearer or such. But the distance is good. Alright. You can see over here, so what I realize, you have a lot of persons specialized in the fruit, and you have a lot of persons specialized in just plants. You understand? Because when I say plants, I mean like, you know, your palm trees, your crotons and stuff like that. Even you remember these when I was small, I always see these around the yard. I don't see them anymore. You know, but good to see that person still selling them to beautify their homes. Let's just go down the line. Blessed, respect. Whoa. Tons of variety of plants, vegetables, and also fruits. Oh my. I'm not sure if I'm going to speak with everyone, but so far, when I get catch, me stop. Whoa. So this is Colleen's Home Gardenings. You are Mommy Colleen? Whoa. Mommy Colleen, me I come talk to you a little bit, you know, because I like your setup and thing. Yeah. And it's a vibe. I am Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. I'm currently streaming live right now, trying to get persons to be out at Denbigh, come out of the house and come have a joy with us and buy some plants and all of the good things. So how is the day going so far?
Well, it's a bit slow right now. As you know, today is a working day. So we are expecting that the people will come out after work this afternoon.
Definitely. So how long now have you been doing this?
I've been doing this over 25 years. I've always been a designer, always fool around the plants until it eventually just pulled me from the sewing.
Yeah.
So I'm full-time in plants now.
Yeah, it's your first time at Denbigh?
No, I've been at Denbigh over 30 years now. I've been coming to Denbigh. From Denbigh was charging $10,000 per booth. Now it's $75,000.
Oh my word, I didn't even realize that's how much money Denbigh charge right now when it comes on to booth. So massive, listen to me. All of them plants you have to go sell off. You understand? What plant is this that I'm looking at right here? Is it a plant or is it a vegetable or?
Oh, it's an anthurium. It's an anthurium. These are anthurium, different varieties.
Okay, so these are what, outside or inside plants?
They can plant outside as well as being indoor plants.
Whoa, love it.
Yeah.
Like, so what do you think about this? These ones are so nice.
Tulips, right?
No, anthuriums.
Anthuriums.
Right.
Oh my word. Let me take a look on the inside here. So we're speaking with Mummy Colleen from Colleen's Home Garden, and I love her setup and I love her display of plants, from the palm trees and all those other beautiful plants right here. This one over here, which one is this one?
The one on the stick?
Yeah, why is the
That's a Hoya.
It's a what?
Hoya.
Hoya.
It's called a Hoya. And you have different varieties of Hoya.
So why did you put the stick with the mesh? It's a running plant?
It's a chalice. You have to chalice it because it tends to run.
Oh.
So it's either you put it into a hanging pot or a basket.
Okay, so when you do it like this, you run it through the fence, the mesh, so it kind of stay one place.
Right, it trails up.
Wonderful, wonderful. Oh my, do you have a...
Be very beautiful with flowers.
Yeah. And if you look around, you'd see mostly aeroids. I don't know if you hear about
what
aeroids.
Does that mean? Yeah.
Aeroids plant. Now, these plants, they tend to push the roots. They can grow without soil. They can grow on trees. They can grow on trunks or anything like that. So the roots like to be in air. If you notice that this one is a monstera.
Oh, monstera?
Yeah, this is a monstera.
Nice.
Right? You call this one a Thai constellation. Thai constellation monstera.
Oh, nice.
Right.
I mean, like, you're educating us.
This one is a white wizard, which is still an aeroid.
Okay. She was asking about which one. Which one did you say, my wife?
They too are aeroids. Any orchids. Orchids are aeroid. If you notice, the roots are always outside.
Yeah.
Because they tend to go to get the air.
Mighty. All right, massive. We are just here taking a look. We're walking around to Mummy Colleen's home gardening. So Mummy Colleen,
located in Westmoreland.
That me just say the guy ask you, say you from all the way to Westmoreland?
Sure, I'm here every year.
Every year.
Yeah.
All right. So let me ask you now. So what is there a number you have that persons can call you if they want to find the location, especially the Westmoreland people? Then we never know that you are down there forward from.
Yes, man. You have my number is 401-8181. Colleen's Home Garden. I'm located in Waterworks, Westmoreland.
Waterworks, Westmoreland.
Yeah.
All right, so you're going to be here all the way till Sunday?
Sure.
Wonderful. All right, we will definitely meet again, right?
Sure.
That is it. So that's our stop here at Colleen's Home Garden here at the Denbigh Agricultural Show. Wonderful. And it is beautiful. Look at this. I must say, there's everything selling here at the Denbigh Agricultural Show. Let me see over here. Blessed good day. It's Jamaica Walk By. I'm just going through to see if I can, interview, showcase a lot of things while I go on, because we need Denbigh for this weekend for Rampack. So I'm streaming live right now. This is a nice booth right here too. There are lots of different plants, even some of the ones them where we normally see sometimes and I realize, and then if you realize you want it, you can definitely have. This is a tomato or a salad now. All right, beautiful. All right, nice, wonderful. So this is welcome to my garden. This is nice right here so too as well. Yes, Sharon's Farm and Gardens. That is where I'm standing right now. So this is the display right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my word. So we're moving by. Blessed, blessed. Whoa. Alright, so we have fluffy green plant nursery. You understand? Yeah. Tons of variety of plants, food and vegetable. Whoa. See how you ball out jelly? Jelly I said like hot bread.
Yeah, man, jelly there are
You see what go on?
And you not drink none jelly. That means, you know, they are Denbigh.
Low, yeah.
We drink the water that's so special.
Yeah, and cool like ice.
I tell you, man.
It's a cool jelly we have in our jump.
Yes, and we have natural cool if you like it too. So you know it go. Denbigh there, we have to treat it good.
Yeah, which are them jelly have out from?
Come from St. Thomas.
Oh, St. Thomas.
Yeah.
Oh, breadfruit.
Yeah, man.
All of them good stuff.
And Julie plant, miniature June plum, engrafted, Neesberry, nutmeg egg, grape, orange plant, breadfruit plant, star fruit, and also coconut plant.
Now pear too?
Yeah, we have pear plant as well, yeah. Simon's pear. Yeah, man, so we have star fruit there. Pear in our fruit right there.
But me realize you not just have the plant, you have the product too as well, man. Whole heap of product from plant to everything.
These berry fruits are right there, see them there? You see what I go on? Yeah, man, I say it, come on. Them do there, we have to make it be.
That is it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Every year you reach.
Yes, man, every year we there, man. Yeah, man, jelly, man. Yeah.
Good little vibe away from home. St. Thomas, man, for real.
Yes, man. Yeah, man, I say go on.
How do you have down there that me tell you say, me not even mean to stop by the Rosalie and when me see water jump out of stone, me I say, no, man. Me have to pull over. You want a jelly now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want one?
Yeah, but I drink one right now. You understand? Yeah. And bring it a little closer and I open the.
More walking, I drink jelly, you know.
What you mean, man? So, you're selling natural insulin. Oh, you mean? Let's do this. So, myself don't stay home today Friday when I left work, just fall down at Denbigh. And thing.
Oh.
Yeah, man. I'm ready for you. Oh, are you pear plant that?
Yes.
Yeah, man. So you go just cut down heap of buying a pear now you have in your backyard. Yes. Alright, me hold on on that one. Huh? Yeah, where she there? Alright, she forward in. Alright, may I make sure I hold the first one for you? So my wife then I back a field with me today. Alright. My one that? Yeah, give Jen come on that. Yeah. Are you collect same way or G over this a collector? Oh, mommy collector. Alright, are we have the mommy mash up your hand? Oh, listen me massive. So watch you now. At the Denbigh Agricultural show. Look on the size of this jelly, you know. No, you can't do me that, man. I'll push struggle. The bad man pan camera. Jesus Christ. I want to do to my father God. He not even take up one and then take up the whole bag. Big up yeah, see wife there one. Yeah, sir. So massive. For $300. Look on the size of this jelly. Where I'm about to consume. Oh my word. Lexi, are going good?
It's two, I take up. One for me and one for me.
Yeah, it's two. Collect for two, yeah? Remember, I said two. No, two. I did 2,000. Give me a two.
Two. Oh my God, this saved my life.
I don't know me I go down this, you know. Jesus and peace. Almighty. So massive. Whoa, yo. No, I don't want it. Me good. Me I chug it. Me chew off from my band. I don't know about drinking jelly with straw. Look on the gen come on over there, sir. You see me with no straw? Oh, you want me video take up straw now, eh? Now my G and me bag of straw, man. As a general. Eh?
The ladies, them do things different, you know?
Oh my word, you say if you drink come and drink coffee, but me see my fi walk way. Come have to walk so you can find space feed. Yes man.
Hydrate all yourselves. Need electrolytes.
Water. Me I tell them say, the son at them better prepare for it man. Forward with a chair, forward with an umbrella, especially all of the ladies them and all the man them and forward with one of the bush hat. You understand? CG the perfect example of one of them bush hat they way, like a umbrella for your head. Yes man. You know when I feel the heat, when I drive with the AC, and then if you go come outside. Oh my word man, watch out man. Whoa, father. No, you don't. Here, Alexi, you sure you don't want to try? You ever see me drink coconut to try it? All these years? Before me use the straw, me drown. Look at this. You want the jelly too? Yes. Alright. We can magic the jelly. So. Your G say it tastes different to the straw. So the authentic way to chop jelly and then you cut off the spoon. You understand? Yeah, you can bust that one or two.
Real jelly.
Oh my word. Let me see that one there. Yeah. That one that can work for Lexi.
Your jelly meat.
Lexi have more jelly right here now. Yeah, that one they big for me too. I don't know if I'm going to manage that one there. No, sir. Rosako, we have film. Beautiful. Okay. Not too tough, not too. Boy, I don't know if I can. We have bag and put in. I don't have an iron spoon. Because that's go walk so. And look, see, can walk and munch on it. Tomato Denbigh Agricultural Show 2026. You switch out me, I spend up a whole of my time. The place have a vibe.
I spend up a whole of my money.
I spend up the money too.
No, we have to buy a plant.
See there? So we are working now, see? Jackfruit in a bag already bagged full, no? You understand? Most of the fruits them already washed. What are some of these plants? Say again? Orchids. Oh, some of them are first, I see them, but I can tell you them beautiful. You understand? You can get everything here at the Denbigh Showground. As I show you, Neeseberry in a bucket. We're not leaving them a pear tree. At the end graph one we do have like, you know, not grow too big. Right. Wonderful. So Lexi, we know where spot we are going to come get the pear. And why is Mr. Right there so me want? Think I pear so far. Yeah. See it there? Mad thing. Can see him is a professional, you know.
Thank you.
Well, let's put that one on. Yeah, Lex. Yeah. Please just drop this in there for me. Blessed respect. I couldn't even get to draw that one still, but yeah, bounce this aside now, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Blessed.
Is that walk and talk?
Yeah, man. I see one man in there. Heart of love, man.
What am I saying?
No, really, no. Which one are you again? Oh yeah, me, you know, so me just there right as a video you sign, but me I wonder say which part fluffy there. But me there I saw a while ago a video me I said tan. What me nice you? You there?
Yeah man, long time man. I'm searching for a man for
alive me there now, you know, say people want to say everything
man,
because
we have some plant that boy cheap and everybody else. So like the have to just come out.
Dash them way.
Yeah, Sunday?
Yeah.
God.
You just a cut the price in a quarter.
Man,
you not care warm nothing.
Buy 3 get 1.
Buy 3 get 1.
Yeah man. We are going to here from daylight. Give me a piece, Mama Matthew.
Yeah man.
Where's the airport fluffy?
Oh yeah,
cheese and peas. Alright, what the hot seller right now? Show me the hot seller right now.
The hanging them. You can't go wrong, you know? Can't go wrong.
All the star, no there. You don't see nothing at Denbigh Clarendon. No sir, nothing.
Hanging.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
They're beautiful for trade.
Yes, but them cheap.
And them cheap.
How much for one of them you want? Give me a price. So I can hear.
15 bills.
Then get one and gone.
Yeah, man, at this time, if you buy 3, you get one. You see, on Sunday, everything I fling up on Clarendon Road. God no.
Everything that you
Yeah, man. Come back Sunday, come pick me up again.
Yeah, and then why? Time we have done so?
Yeah, man. And we have the ornamental paper, 4 different colors.
Yeah. The what?
Yeah, man, 4 different colors.
Let's see, we can't
yes, man. Go for one film there.
It look like
we need one sell him. No,
man. For one of them, I could see. Yeah, man. See, this crazy, man. Banana.
Yeah, man.
Eh? And that me I say, like say, me I see how some bunch of new plants I never see yet.
I'll come back a pepper light itself.
We say hot too?
Hot.
Cheese and a pepper. Eh?
Pepper, man. And we have a pustiel, 2 different color pustiel.
Pustiel?
Yeah, man.
Oh, see there, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Almighty, man. I go take a closer look to this one. See that? First, me see this Lexi.
Different color.
Which part this I come from?
See, on Sunday, if you buy 3, you get 2.
So what about today? One time me and her come in when we done film, you know,
after 4.
You know what? A fluffy me talk him after here, cause you don't know a thing go. Oh my word, look at massive.
Your community come after 4, man.
Cheese and peas upon this. Yeah, purple, orange, red, all different kind of. I wonder the pepper you taste and go on, man.
We have some harkid in there, look now.
You have bird pepper too?
No, but we have harkid in there, cheap harkid there.
Show me what is that?
Yeah, man.
Oh my word, man. The man say if all of them not sell off, man, then dash it on Clarendon Road.
Cheap. You see that?
Oh, yes.
Harkid there, real gift.
That this?
Yeah, man.
Yes, I beautiful. Boy, they not even look like they're real.
No, Master Sunday is the day when everything are dash upon Clarendon.
Everything got to go. Everything got to go. We say one for you now. Yeah, man, make sure say. No, man, if you're there till Sunday, man, you want church in foot.
Right.
Yeah, man, dry in foot. Because I'm dry foot for me too, though. And that me realize. Oh my word, I want fluffy, man. You know, I think plants them nice and thing. What they call them one I don't answer again now? Cactus. Oh my word.
Water, none at all. Go in your bedroom. If you have security problem.
Yeah.
Right.
You lie in the wall.
Right. If you have a thief in here, but I want thief in dog, just plant some there. You see me?
I fix the business.
Fixing business proper.
You don't want to drop on that, you know.
Yeah. You say not even owner neither.
You don't want to drop on that, man.
But I'm not like the pepper tree. I'm not leaving this pepper tree you know, at all. Love this.
Yeah, man.
You understand? How big you get? Like if you take it out of that and plant it?
Yeah, man. Give more limb, but not big.
No, okay.
So it stays small, you know?
Right.
Good for all in your bathroom, anywhere you want to put
my
it.
word.
Yeah,
And it just grow.
Yeah, man. And this is a complimentary.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Art I love, man. Alright? No, man, I can't carry now, but listen to me. As me done film, I come feet it up. Yeah, remember, anything you say and do will be against you, because I see it up on camera, you know.
One picture there, and one fluffy there, look there. One fluffy on the ground now. One fluffy on the ground. So come back.
So far, yo.
Alright, man.
Respect, how you mean, man? Yeah, so massive. We're on to a great start. And we are going good, you know. And I tell you no lie, loads of things going on. We say it was Jacqueline Nurseries, rooted in care, growing for you. Oh my word. And we have Lilies. I saw you go. Because I love spoil people name, you know. I swear to you, what a bright smile. And you may contact you, know, you come out. Although I see Mummy there on the phone. But yes. Alright, does you where you do? You on Instagram too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? What's your Instagram? Me give a shout out. Me start it right there so. Let me watch the plant here.
It's on TikTok.
Oh, on TikTok. Lily's Flush. You know what I mean? You set it back for me. Thank you so much. Art I love. So these ones don't find you say all the pot, you know, say them well branded and things. You sell a whole variety of plants as well. Look good no man. Oh my word. So when you buy this a plant, you know, you always remember where you get it from. Love it. Like your uniform to well branded, you ready for it, man. I use a purple. Figured that. So the TikTok here, let me look for the TikTok again. See, there is Lily's Flourishing. You understand? So you can follow her on TikTok location, Maypen, Clarendon. So she there at Denbigh today. Are you gonna be here until Sunday?
Yes.
Art I love, man. So I will definitely be passing through. So all I massive them are watching. When I see people them who me I interview and I talk with them, I can just stop right at them foot and say, see them on Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, man. Alright, so massive, we're not gonna stop at everybody if you tell the truth, but we just walk through and I see what I go on. I hope the stream is beautiful, the stream is nice. Alright, nicely done. So if I stop at one board and I see them turn from the camera, I don't bother stop. Because I don't pressure nobody if you promote for them thing. So, where did this, Alex? Yeah. And they can go on the YouTube right now. Alright, so Lexi specifically said if you forward over here, so you have Randy's Plant World. Yo, the man tough in our master card, debit card accepted, G's and P's, nothing all left. Over here, so pretty boy. Almighty. Look up on them purple plant, you know. It pretty so tell I can't even tell if it real. Yeah. Oh my word.
People are amazed by it.
It's the first time seeing it.
It's been around.
So where you get this plant so you can have it for grow?
Well, we do plants, so we keep replicating and reseeding and so.
Oh my word.
Because we're into the business, so we have to keep on doing over and over so we can have supply.
How long now have you been doing this?
For years, Randy, how long?
Looking at about 17 years.
Oh, 17
long,
years.
long.
Yeah,
So you know, yeah, we have.
Whoa. So tell me, what's the hot seller phone right now? When I say, listen me, this people that will come for this I catch me eye right, you know, so massive. Oh, it's another hang plant.
Here, you water just once per week and you're good to go.
This is you get much bigger than that?
Yeah, man,
Yes, you can.
trust me.
If you change it from the pot.
Yeah, man, you
Whatever
water
size
once
you
per
put
week.
it in, you get bigger.
Yeah, man.
You put in a bigger pot, you get a bigger plant.
So, at the summer plant this.
Massive. Beautiful.
The more it get pink.
The more sun you get more pink.
Yeah, color change to well pink.
What's the name of this one?
We call it Pink Lady.
Pink.
It's for the ladies.
Lexi, Pink Lady. Oh my word. So it's another hanging plant, another hot seller here at the Denbigh Showground 2026.
One is the hydrangea.
Which one?
Hydrangea.
Hydrangea.
Yeah, man. First year you
Brother, I don't know what I want with me for this.
Is it?
First, me I see them too.
The hydrangea is the number one.
Look on it, it even look real. Beautiful. They plant them clean and nice. I tell them look.
3 different colors.
3 different colors.
Purple and blue, as well as the pink.
Oh my word. You know me like this one too. On the top here with them. What name? Torino.
Yeah, man.
Oh my word. So where are you guys really located though?
Kingston, St. Andrew.
Kingston, on Instagram too as well?
Yeah, man.
Tell me the Instagram to person
So,
can follow.
I can't remember it right now. You understand about Randy's Plant World for now? You understand?
You on there, Lex?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, let me see this one.
The number is here.
Alright, so you have all the number too. So like Kingstonian people, them where I see it and wonder one, especially in the Denbigh, give him a call and you can go pick it up. See number right there, so. I hold it for a little while so you can take it down. That is it. Beautiful. So, whoa, there's so much going on here at Denbigh 2026. And it's the first day, so we just move through. Oh my word. Let me see what is over here a little bit. Almighty. Love it, love it, love it. Blessed, respect. Heart of love, family. Yeah, man, so much things going on. And may I tell you, say, the variety of different things that I'm seeing. Hi, mommy, this is your... Okay, that is it. I just want to ask you the name of this plant right here. This yellow one here. The cockspur. Call it the cockspur. Nice. It's the first I'm seeing this one too. Beautiful. Oh, probably I've never seen it this big. Okay, I got you. Nice, man. Yes, family. Oh, you mean? Love it. So as you can see all around this section too, you have BF over there that is beautiful flowers and more. Also you have blossom and blooms over there too as well as you're going through. You understand? Let's go. Yeah, man. So far, we're going nice. So big up to everybody here. We join. Let me just take a look and see how everything is going. Oh my word. Denbigh Agricultural Showground 2026. And we are going nice. Whoa, yo. So let me taking a looking at the chat a little bit. Alright, here, so now. Look here. Look here, so now. Alan Bailey, big up and respect my brother. You're actually there in the chat. Art I love, you know what I mean? You can see our flowers pot. And think these are the clay flowers pot too as well. My church sister, you all like around here, sir? Alright, let me come and see what I go on the car. I go on good, you know. From palm trees right here. And also, I don't think I've ever talked to anybody that does clay pots, because there's so much plant selling, you need something to put them plants in. Yeah, man. You understand? So I see you here with different size and shape of clay pots.
Something like that.
Yeah, man.
Everybody
So
have different tastes, you know.
And you make them?
My husband does.
Your husband does?
Yeah.
I wonder, like a one like this, small one from the top right. Well, medium. How long it take to make something like that?
Well, you don't work on one piece at the same time because it's a go down. It's a clay process. You half them, you leave and you go on another one for you want them to get hard enough to work on them. They can't be worked on one time because it's strictly handmade. It's not
okay.
So you work on it a half here, you go back and you finish up, put another portion and you get stiffened up, you finish half.
Work again.
You work on them by size. So you're going to do maybe 6 or a dozen at a time. The big one now you do them maybe 6 for the day, 4 depends. Like these sizes, right? So maybe you do 4 or 6 of them big size one for the day. You're going to make the handles, you put it down, let it get hard to put it on. So you're going to do them bit by bit to carry them up.
Yeah, man, thank you for that knowledge.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
So, massive, and you can see also there's some plant handmade clay pots that you can have for your plants. As you buy, you can buy one nice pot too as well. You see me I say? And also them sell palm trees, I can see, plus other. Oh my word. See it? Love it. Alright, thank you so much for talking with me. Oh yeah. So beautiful. Make you see over here, son.
Yeah, so I bought a pair of these from her in Maypen. This was what Kyla wore to our Jamaica Day,
Jamaica Day, yes.
Yes. So it was her about.
They're customized and handmade by me personally, which is Mia Bows.
Yeah, man, tell us what we need to know. Go on.
Yes. So I am the ambassador of Mia Bows right here, where I do customized and handmade ear bows. Everything right here, personally handmade by me. Yes, you can take a look.
Beautiful. All different colors, the Jamaican colors one here. Beautiful. I must say we tested and proven because Kylie had one of these in her year Jamaica Day. And she looked so beautiful with it.
Yes, indeed. Yes, and you can find me on TikTok. Mia Bows 2024. Yes. Mia Bows 2024. I also have the business card.
She gave this one to me.
Yeah, one.
Yeah.
I gave him a
let me take one too.
an ear zone.
So this is it. So you will see her TikTok here as well.
Yes.
You can send her a message.
And her quality is really good because I still have it. I still have the bow that we bought for Kylia.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
All right.
Thank
you so much.
Yeah, man. Art I love. A whole heap of things are going on Denbigh massive. I'm telling you. To miss is to this. You want to see me on stream live, so you want to see what I go on. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Jake's gardening over here as well. Good day, good day. Art of love. Yeah, man. Love it. So, in the chat, you don't know, Blessed Lady Gail, big up and respect. Kadina Shah, you there? Art of love. Free your mind. Big up Wagwan. We say Wagwan King, long time me know the see you post a video, King. Jaja know, eh? I mean, I post video so hard. Alright, so we are going to leave from this area and go to another area. Jason, big up and respect every time. You know what I mean? Kenroy Thomas. Yes, a blessed love, brother. Thanks for the coverage. Yeah, man, we are there showing Wagwan live. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Alright, so waiting on Mummy Lex a little bit. And as me tell you, Massive we not reach nowhere yet. We are going to just probably pick up the pace a little bit and go through and see what go on. You understand? So far, oh, it look clean and pretty, right? Nice. Love that. So Massive, what I realize a lot of these places, if you don't have cash, them use card. So not like one time. You know what I mean? So, lovely. So now come on out for the Denbigh Agricultural Show 2026. You understand? Lexi, your choice. Where next you think we should head? Place is so big.
Pavilion. St. Catherine Pavilion always lit.
Yeah, we could go by St. Catherine Pavilion. Let's see that side. Yeah, man. Julia, blessings, respect. Gary. No, man, we just a walk through. I may explain to them, say, we're not going to go every single where, but some of them we definitely are go check out. Cause this video pretty much I just walk and I show you what is going on, as Noel would say. We'll go over the St. Catherine Pavilion and see what's going on. Alright. So just put it right here, so. Alright. Just a little update. Yeah, man. Yeah, let's make it stay right there so another opening. Alright, make us see inside this spot. Oh, yo. That nice, eh? So we have inside here now. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, make us see where we can start. We have agro processing, driving foods over here. Yeah. Good afternoon, blessed day. This is your booth right here. You mind here talking to me for less than a minute? I am currently streaming live. I'm trying to make sure that person see what is happening here for Denbigh 2026 on the first day, so they can know the place active. You know, loads of things going on. Godfather, you good? Yeah, man. He look knowledgeable, man. Like him, I say, yeah, man, I mean, you want to talk to you, know, because me know what I go on and say, you know. So, for this product now, as I'm here, share with me what is going on here, what you have here, and what the viewers should know and why they should come and get all of these lovely products.
Hi everyone. JA Blends and Spices is a family-owned and operated agro-processing company operating from our family farm, HMH Farms, in Old Harbor. This is one of our artisan type product. All natural ingredients, no preservatives, no additives. We support our local farmers, and all our products are grown locally. And thank you. All our products are grown locally and dehydrated and placed in a bottle. JA Blends and Spices products can be had at select locations, for example, General Foods, Ocherias, and
Ligani. We are at Things Jamaican. All their locations, Norman Manley International Airport, South Camp Road, and their main office at Devon House. And our products are all, I said it already, it's natural and it's something by Jamaican, build Jamaica.
Good, love it. So you're on Instagram too. This is the Instagram, right?
Yes.
JA Spices. Wonderful. So massive, let's check out JA Spices on Instagram and pretty much all platforms. This is lovely. I love the packaging of it. Very nice, very beautiful, as you can see. So we have the garlic powder here, we have the jerk seasoning. So what I realized, normally a lot of the ones that we Jamaicans love when it comes down to cooking with, it's just like different style, different flavors. So definitely a unique brand that we can definitely start looking into checking out. So I see jerk seasoning, I see garlic powder. Which one is over here?
Right, we have Scotch bonnet garlic powder with parsley. Right, we have jerk seasoning, mild and hot and spicy. We have the curry seasoning, and we have garlic. We have the curry. The curry seasoning, and we have the Scotch bonnet pepper powder. Right, no preservatives in that one. That one is just straight from the farmer, dehydrated, milled and put in a bottle. Then we have our whole pimento. Yes. Beautiful. Our whole pimento seeds.
Alright, thank you so much. My name is Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. I'm currently streaming live. You can currently check it out right now as I go around. You can send it to a friend so that persons can see what you're doing here and how you set up if they are not here. Yes. So Art of Love, and this is it. Beautiful booth right here over by the St. Catherine booth. Nice, wonderful. As you can see as I go around. Beautiful. Loads of fruit. Let me take a look to walk this side. Let's say good afternoon. Good afternoon. Alright. So when it comes on to Denbigh, you will see a lot of the fruits and vegetable decorations like this. Well labeled, well organized, and just beautiful. You see so much things. You have okra there, dasheen you have over there, tomato over here, hot pepper right here, all sweet peppers here as well as the Scotch bonnet, onions, tomatoes, you name it, lots of things. I love this decoration of the fruits and vegetable. Wonderful. Yes. Let me go through. Let me see right here. Oh yes. Alright, so let's take a stroll. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a stroll right around Denbigh. Other than going inside, let's have a feel of how the environment stay now. Alright? Definitely. So who we have in the chat? Remember, if you're just watching and not yet subscribed, please, I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel, alright? Yeah?
Because I hate swimming. Well, that's...
No. And I don't mind.
Ladies and gentlemen, the place is looking rather scanty. You know what I pick up so far? They have way less vendors on the inside.
Oh, yeah, I wonder if it's true because today is Friday, the first day.
Normally they would come and try to hold the space. Because remember the year when Dennis did over here. You would not pay a couple of
full off with people.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm wondering.
So Denbigh, when me hear the prices a while ago for the booth them and thing, I feel wonder. Say if I so much money people have to really come up with when it comes on to.
Maybe that kind of deter people.
Yeah, the money sound away. Alright, man, make we just stroll through and see what the Friday looks like here at Denbigh. Big up to everybody who is actually on the live, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Blessed Lady Gail, I see you. Mommy Cadine Sterling, Art, I love you there. Always a support. You know what I mean? AJ, you see me? You say you reach the animal park. No, I actually head to that side there now. You see me? Let's see. So we definitely
Walk by.
Walk on, big up yourself. See? So right now I see one barricade. I'm not sure how. Maybe barricade for vehicles not to cross.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Yes, it's cantina.
Oh. Alright, make we go through see what go on.
So people, so Dave has sell one product, you have sell one product, you will sell one product.
Alright.
So
This is Ray and Nephew Station.
But ladies and gentlemen, at this moment right now, for 1 hour, starting 9 minutes ago, $1,800. You get a flask around, a tracer, and a rain shirt.
Alright.
Only for $1,800.
So where Friday look like? Why? Let's see. Yeah, they probably not there right now. Rather the boat.
Watch out now, we feel like we change the price again.
Hold on, let me see what
we feel like we change the price again. We're going to change the price of rain from $1,800 to 18 bills now. Yeah, so you get a flask of rain every rum, you get a tracer with it, and you get a rain every t-shirt, only for 18 bills. It was $1,800 when we change the price. And you can get 2 Magnum tonic wine for $1,200. You can't get a better deal than that. You can buy your son, sell it back. Good, go on a road.
So it's a vibe, it's an energy, the Ray Nephew boat. One heap of thing I drink, one heap of vibe I go on. Make we check out, you know. Why vibes! Why Sarah B, are you that? Big up and respect. Bless you, respect. Hello, a whole heap of rich cow. Yo, I don't want to take no kick from no animal. I know some normal price cow them here, you know. Cheese and peas look good. So I hope the connection nice and everything pretty. So if you like people that we can't come out of them house today, especially in the evening, Denbigh is gonna be here all weekend. So today is the first day, which is a Friday. Denbigh is gonna be here for tomorrow, Saturday, and the final big day, which is Sunday. Right? So this is the happenings on the first day, and we just reached the animal section. This side you have tons of different animals, from goat, cows, you name it, and also the kiddies section and thing. Alright. What was you can see in front of me? This is Carleen Davis and her husband and child, you know what I mean? She's here too as well, enjoying Denbigh on a very wide scale. I want none of them cow will kick me, you know. Why call them back foot them just hang off in the road look like you can get a kick? Yeah, I tell you, man.
Hi, everybody. Be in the farmland. That's the brown one, yes, the brown one.
Alright, so let's check out the what is over here. Alright, let me see what's going on here. Oh. Alright, I'm not sure what is going on here. And over here is the layer. Better farm. So a whole heap of things you can learn. This is one of the new systems to cause when you fold them layer, I think you can just spin this and the whole of the feces and everything can collected right at the end here. You know what I mean? So this is a very nice setup, I must say. If you can catch eggs and also feed them both food and water. You understand? The system set up with the pipe too as well. They can easily maneuver everything. Nicely done. Yes, on the better farm. Unless you want to give me an interview as to what is going on here, don't be shy now. Beautiful ladies, not shy. You know exactly what is going on here though?
This is our layer cage system. This can hold up to about 240 layer. Right, so look here. Can hold 4 birds, 4 layers. The feed go here, and this is their water dispenser. This is the waste removal. So the birds would poo right here, and it runs, so you don't have to do anything at all.
Okay.
We have the water dispenser at the front. You can connect your tank to it also if you wish to. Yes.
Pretty much that's it. So how much for something like this going?
Around 800,000. We have a discount right now for 5 and 7% if you order from now until the end of October.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's done to order.
It's down to order. And we do the installation, everything. You get 1 year guarantee. Even though after the guarantee ended, if you call and say something is wrong, we still show up to help you guys out.
Right. So when it comes down to this, is it the layers come with the package or you have to buy the whole different?
You have to buy the layers different. We also do layers. We're not taking any order until in September. We also do layers, yes.
All right. Thank you so much. Big up for that, yeah?
All right.
Nice. So it's Better Farms distributors. You understand? So I love this setup.
Nice, right?
Very.
You can customize if you want for a small amount of layers, they can customize it.
This is nice.
But this is for 240 birds.
240 birds. Here the price already got almost $1 million, but
780 something thousand.
So it would be a definite investment. I would definitely invest in something like this, to tell you the truth. Cause as you can see, it don't take up much space, and if you can set it up in a backyard type of settings where you just want to have your own layers, you can eat the food by setting this up over the period of time. You understand? As you can see, it's very sturdy, very strong. It look like it's weatherproof too. I think you just need it underneath something warm and cozy, away from water, and you're good. Yeah, man. Better Farm distributors. Yeah, nice. All right, let's move through. All right. Just a pause for giving us some little highlights and things, nothing too serious. There's so much things happening here. The kids section alone are one massive thing. Kind of like everybody carry them kids down here for the kids section, because trust me, that's where everybody is at right now. This is a goat section. Hi, Mommy Carly.
I'm sorry. It's kawan.
Itu. Some of these goats that you see are ranging for even $500,000. Some of them going up to even $1 million Jamaican dollars. Remember me tell you, very expensive goats. So what a lot of persons don't know about Denbigh too, most of these goats will have trophies and things, you know, based on the breed, them size, you know what I mean? So yeah, a lot of things going on here. And you have some champion goats also here, where win every year and thing, where you know enough persons don't really breed goats like them. So yeah, just a snippet and thing. Cause I know we are streaming, I don't want to go too far, mash up the live stream. I smell them rami out. I wish I could have smelled them through the screen. Oh my word. Sweet him.
So cute. Can we get one?
So as you can see, them system here well set up because them have all fan, everything plug in, keep them cool and thing. Super nice. Manners teacher. Pan them cow here. Cattle here na normal, luge. See me tell about some of the awards that I can see this place get to as well. I'm putting him away. We can't look after them and go there.
Hey.
They're nice to look pan, but I smell.
Oh my gosh.
Totally, yeah man, totally different.
That's so weird.
I want them to me about 500,000, 600,000 for one of them or $1 million.
Beautiful rami. This is
yeah,
man.
Man.
The black one.
I want rami too. Look up on him balls. Look on his size of him balls. Let me see what they say.
It's a sheep. Barbados blackberry sheep. Blackbelly sheep.
That's the one that want sheep. Well?
But it looks like a sheep. Because he have no horn. You see?
Oh man, a goat that man. When there?
A sheep.
The white one there?
Yes.
Sir. All me do I love smell them. What I go and me teach her everything I manners and respect. Me I go on stream. Mommy. Me a video me have stream. So you have to you in a company me have a slowly move, you don't know where you go. Everything I read. Yeah? What's your name on the internet? I love money, I go choose too. Nothing on top you. Yeah, you mean? Hey mother? Yeah man, I love my blessings and respect every time. Me and my wife we go and work and I go and show people them what I go on. Here, take it easy man. Yeah man, blessings. Lexi boy, come in. All I do when it comes on to goat, them, I not tell a lie. I don't want to take on no more raising a goat. But we smell and love to eat them and all of that. But when it comes on to looking after them, it's hard. Alright, so the kiddie section they're at the distance. So I can tell you tomorrow now go normally. All of them places tomorrow. I gotta be rampacked with people. So I will tell myself, say, I forward here today for show now how it look, so I know what to do tomorrow, Friday, Saturday and Sunday for the final day. So because most people not done set up yet, you know. A lot of persons are forward today to come and set up and get it right. Alright, I'm go to the kiddies section for sure now. Calm and easy. Yeah, then do a lot of clean up because them places are more while you couldn't. They used to be bush.
Even the restrooms, and I was passing,
Yeah.
like they painted the restroom. I'm not sure how inside look, but so far it look like they do some work on the place. It's not so much of an eyesore.
True, man. Last time at them places they have a whole heap of bush. Alright, so I could go through.
Everybody doing great, everybody doing great. You see a winner already. My friend here. Thank you, mommy. All right. What in it?
When it's a eat, when it's a eat, when it's a eat, you can pick.
Yeah. Put your hand in that mouth and tell me. Let them come close.
A nice little vibe, fun vibe. And thing. Look at everything alright with this.
Yeah, good. Good. Clean, but see somebody said I thought more people would be there. Ain't you on it?
Close out there. When I realize them do a lot of work when it comes down to the cleanup for real.
South side. West Court. If you dance, you should go shop. So we did a high power, we then flop. And I wait for the price, then drop to the shop. When I buy that, look, not take that.
So it's a nice vibe. As you can see, whole heap of thing there for the kids them have fun. The kids them supposed to be safe while having some good fun. As I say, trampoline. Yeah. Let's go. So we have 1, 2, 3 bunks about. Place all lit. Oh, so this is a ticket booth, you know, say tomorrow and Sunday, Lord God, the line.
Nobody talk.
The line we are going there over here, so. Tomorrow and Sunday. Them places are go crazy. I'm telling you. See bridging. There's so much thing to see, I'm telling you. The place massive. When I tell you say massive, you come like we never even walk out or show half of the venue yet.
I love this day. Best day ever.
Oh, what is this? One clown?
You don't say. That sells jelly, but here is definitely it's here every year. You can get your coconut water. You want?
Coconut water? Alright.
Coconut water out.
But I go back to the man out the front.
No, he want them big.
Yeah, man. So, this place is beautiful. Let me look. Kind of jump off couple times. Yeah? Jump off couple times. Probably can check and see.
We can put it on the road.
That's why there's somewhere hoping. On this side, nice. Pathology. You can see a whole heap of different things that them use. Alright, I can walk through here. Go on again. To everybody we are watching, we actually use a star. Pint up in a year. I would recommend Starling. Starling stupid.
Sorry guys, I was trying to film and I flopped. You remember under here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's have a leave out here.
Yeah. Wouldn't recommend Starlink. Trust and believe. Alright, make us see what I go on. For last year, I think we spend most of our time under this tent when it comes on to...
In the way.
Say again? What were you saying? You have cannabis over there. You have cannabis. Big up and respect every time. Cannabis do a lot of herbal products. We spend a lot of time at cannabis too because there are a lot of infused marijuana products. You see me? And we always spend a lot of time on the here so too when it comes on to these small businesses as well. You have Earth Goddess body care too as well right here. So we're just trying to show you a number of stuff that you can actually come out for the rest of the week to see and where they are located. You understand? Yeah. Good afternoon, good afternoon. What we have over here so too as well. So we're just trying our best to show you the variety of stuff that you can get from one Wagwan. But they are showcasing a business, you know? Yes, I. Alright. A big business this right also. So me I show you which part all of the goodies, the good stuff them located. You understand? From she ball out, walk and talk, she'll get something special. Tell the viewers and subscribers.
Yes, Mr. Walk and Talk, thanks for having me. I am Sukari, owner and creator for Forever Bunny Skincare. Our products which are made from natural ingredients like sea moss, turmeric, aloe vera, oatmeal, lavender, and we have some facial oils also. Forever Bunny, our Instagram and our TikTok, and also on our Facebook. Thank you very much. We watch it all the time.
All the time. Yeah, man, I love when beautiful people watch the channel, you know. Yeah, it bring in more beautiful people. Oh, you watch all the hurricane thing them. Oh my word. Someone say, from your stand up right here, you know your nose start work, you know. You understand? You just see things where you just want. You understand? So you're gonna be here all weekend? Right here, so. Alright, so massive as you can see. I know so much on now watch me can't even say we're currently a live stream. I'm actually a live stream. Yes, so I make them know which part to forward, you know? So
we're at JAS, Jamaica Agricultural Society Village, and we are on the left side coming in. All the cosmetic personnel are on the left side, and all the agro-produce persons are on the right side coming in. So you see us, Forever Bonnie. We are the second table, but come on in. All of us have nice natural products. Thank you very much.
Alright, blessings and respect every time. So come on, support her. Very nice lady, very nice business. If you know you're into your skincare and your skincare routine and you think them are done, you want to try some new things, definitely a spot you can stop and try. And we're going to be here all weekend. Today just a filming day. We're going to be here for the rest of the week, like Saturday, Sunday, to buy our stuff. So we use this opportunity to find the people them and find where we want to go as well. So and the same I put on. Big up here. Oh, I didn't realize you're inside here, you're there too. Yeah man, I make you know what go on with you today.
Hi, so I can take it. Alright, so I'm Stephanie and this is Stephanie's Royal Collections. I have all natural products, hair growth oils, natural soaps. I have shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, skincare products, and these are all skincare products and natural soaps on this side.
So tell us, why you should choose your products over soap?
Well, because my products are all natural, Ayurvedic, and we cater for the health. Yes, so our body is our temple, so we should ensure that we use all natural products on it. So yes, all natural products to nourish the skin and hair. Yes, she bought some products from me last year and she's here to support me again this year. So I'm just waiting on her. Alright.
And today I'm not really shopping day for winner. Today I'm filming day because she run the whole of the back end of the stream. So we're going to do our best to be here for tomorrow and the Sunday when we can carry with amper so we can full it up the right way with everything. You know you go. So you're on Instagram too as well?
I am on Instagram at Stephanie's Royal. Stephanie's Royal, yes. You can follow me on Instagram. Stephanie's Royal.
Let me scan the QR code as you can see it right here so too as well. You can put it up to the screen or take a screenshot and you can view it. So follow on Instagram, that easy. Also as you can see the price list, whoa, yeah, very very reasonable price list. You can have, look at it. So come on down, check her out on the nose part with there. And it should be beautiful. But you actually start shop. Alright, ma'am. Yeah, Anglia Banga. What she's also a subscriber for Jamaica Walk By too as well. But like when time they see me and pick me up and when my face mass up. So we're gonna check out what she have too as well. See again? You have something for me? For my face? How we are say? I'm going to see what's going on. Alright, so I'm going to see what's going on.
Complimentary.
Are we now say? So on the house? I see you put 1, 2.
I'm giving you the one tell about the we tell you off there what time.
Alright, because you know me a stream. Yes. So massive you can see why you your father and can support her and make sure say she did it. Oh my word, thank you so much. Look at that. Oh my word. So, cheese and peace. Look good. I feel so blessed. That's why I keep on doing what I do, you know. You understand? So good people out there like me. So, I want to just forward to her and say, you know, say Jamaica Walk By, make me see you. And I decide to I can support you for what you do. And thing. I know so I definitely I come now and buy something too. Lexi, you finish? Alright. No one. Huh? Yeah, it's my wife. So massive. I really over the weekend I want to start buying a car. Me's a man when time I start buying I can't lock off. Just making money done. That's how when I left the house, I just carry what can spend. Yes. Because if me not do that, you can't find all the toll road money when you reach. It was just a lead me in some direction. I don't even know where I want. You understand? Oh my word, man. By these hands here. God have mercy. I wonder if you can get my face clean up like food and sin. Can you see so now? Yeah. Yeah. Alright then. Alright then, that no good man. Me say, why is that bag when me not get when me could a man like me should I have?
Well, you don't have to quite prepared yet.
Yeah.
This is brand new to JAS. We don't launch it on the website yet.
Yeah.
So our Kings.
So it's beard face cleaner. King's Reserve.
So this is the beard wash and face wash and the beard oil.
Oh. Yes, I.
Talk to me. Get the Seos and Manuka oil. It's good for ingrown hair.
This?
Yes. My males, they love the CMOS products.
So this now, me just wash my face and use it?
Wash,
yeah,
tone, and moisturize.
Moisturize.
And you know what I like? Your skin is beautiful.
That means I say I want to clean up my one.
So, me I go believe what you say.
She not put on the face, no beat.
You don't need it.
Alright, but I want to buy something now. Tell me, where would I recommend me get right now? Other than, she gave me a gift. She put some goodies in the back. Can you hold this in the back?
Thank you. He's alright. He has.
What me have? Everybody know me tell me peers that me have eczema.
Yeah. And dairy is.
Watch him, darling.
So, and him no.
Me not use off a dairy. I my thing.
He's not here.
Yeah. Let do a spot. Alright, I want to get something differently. This, what you say about this for ingrown here?
Alright, ingrown here, the CMOS line.
Yeah. How do I use it?
Wash, moisturize, wash, tone, moisturize.
When I say tone, what I mean? Like
tone like with a toner, this one.
But what does that do?
It cleans off the excess. After you wash the excess oil and dirt that's left, then you tone.
Okay. Alright, so can I get like that and the beard oil?
Yes, the beard oil. You have beard?
No, me this one. You about beard oil. You don't know me love to talk food already. The ingrown oil thing. And that. Maybe. Yeah. Lexi. Which one in there? Alright then, I want that. I have to buy something from you differently. I want to spend something. The body wash, this is what now?
This is the CMOS body wash.
Or for the face?
The face
and body wash. Alright, let me get them two there from you.
Okay, thanks for this.
Lexi, pay for this for me there, please. Yep, now I have to give me no more bag, man. I could just put in another.
Alright, we want my bag.
Yeah, me a sponsor too. After she take up two nice product give to me. I want to make sure I say, yeah. You can look one wine at the bag.
I think there's a ceremony.
Oh yeah, one day there. Alright, give me something else. I have to buy something. Yeah, give me something. I want to buy something from you. And the body wash. Alright, Lexi. I don't even want to know how much. You just pay for them for me there, please. Yeah. That is super nice. So, as you can see, she give me all of the good stuff them for man. And now I couldn't find what to buy from her. So, I definitely did have to find something to buy from her. Because good people, you have to support. You know what I mean? Where she watch the channel, so me I gonna love that. Yeah, man. These are the lavender things and oils and great. Yeah, for sure, get one of that for me too, because me lip balm, yeah.
To make your lips look cherry.
Yeah, me should I use it from now, because, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's a great vibe here at Denbigh. Night of forward still, but I say there's so much things to see. Are we that? We good now?
Why are you following me?
Everywhere I go, I see her for you, you know.
And she's following me, talking to me.
Yeah,
she's just following me.
She just, that's what I always see her too. Everywhere I go, she always decide away. Alright. Yeah. So, yeah, massive. Yeah, massive. So this is how we're doing it. Let me can pass. Oh, let me go the other side. Go around. Oh, I don't want to pass these ladies, so let me give them some highlight too as well. I see you're building them as well. Oh, they would have look like I buy and sell. Oh my God, you're going good, man.
Buy some and build some.
You buy some, build some.
Earrings are all of them I made. No, not all of them. Most of them.
Most of the earrings you made.
These are not me. All the Jamaica branded ones.
Okay.
I buy the pieces here and assemble.
Nice. So she buy the pieces one and assemble some of them. These are nice.
The bracelet that I bought, some now utilize me to make an earring.
Oh, that's how it goes. Nice. Yeah, man, so as you can see, she's in here too as well. All right, Lex, we're going that direction.
Yeah,
Can't go. Yeah. All right, take care, yeah? So, in the sewer, me definitely forward and support. I'm showing a up close live and living colors. I don't know. YouTube keep on fighting me every time when I talk about on the phone things, you know. So, I'm not going to say the word. You understand? So, this is, yeah. So this is cannabis, you know what I mean? Everything, as you can see it up there, so I know you go. You understand? The last time we there, I tell us, I say, this thing, listen to me, you know, man. If you know say you're wicked, at this you have to forward and get this. You see me touch it, see there? The rum cream one, mighty word, bossy. You understand? All of them things, cannabis. From here, I say cannabis, you know what I mean? So you know it infused with that something there when I want to say name, you understand? And also, woy. So big up my general every time. You have some coolings one here, so you have some of them on the cooler too. You know what I mean? So big up my teacher, you can get all of them products here right down here. So especially if you're foreign of them and you want to get a nice vibe, I'm telling you, get a couple of them. The tonic wine and also the rum cream. This is this, me not tell no wrong.
I have a rum punch, it's new.
I have the rum punch one. It's new. Oh my word. Today I'm buying the G's and peace, man. Let me see. How much you one of them?
$2 grand. You can have a 15 bill.
Upon them, which one of them?
Anyone you want.
This is which one? This is
Ocean Buzz. Make with
I feel like more. I'm Lexi. Pay for you can pay for this, me. 15 business for this? Alright, so cannabis I'm a general and I have to support me general. As bad as be anytime me see me, you always give me something. So today I'm buying there, today I working and me, most I think that me see some can't pass. Yeah. So
wiki.
yeah. So this me I go definitely try that one. How much for the rum cream one again?
2.5.
2.5 for the rum cream one. Massive. And you may tell us last time Bro G bust me on one of this and when I reach out, it take me a couple of days to finish it still, you know, don't get me wrong, you know, because my head light like a car. Yeah, me have it, see it here. You can listen to one. Yeah, me drink it a yard, man.
Comfy.
Yeah, pay for it for me. Oh my word, me not try the brownies now, none of them one day. So I trouble. Yeah. Big up yourself. Me always support cannabis, you know what I mean? So massive, I'm telling you, I'm a general. Him think them rich, solid, and well made. Big up for yourself, yeah? I'll go for the machine. Yeah. So yeah, massive, it's a great vibe here at Denbigh. Me open everything I go on good phone and I see I go on good. It's like I think them hard for not buy. To them I want to spend the money, you know, but bro, it's like the thing them solid and nice. When I see them, you know, I want to pass them. I'm telling you the truth. You see me, more time you father them place and you come with that way, you want 30 grand and you bunny off because the thing them so rich in the products and thing. You happy. Whoa, my teacher, big up in a bro. Everything good? Man, are easy. Oh, you mean? Yes, I. That's how we are do it. Why must I tell you now? They don't get no Starlink. A waste of time, here. You know, make no sense. Especially if you're doing them a thing. We need something better than this. I probably, you see, the thing on Mrs. Speed have with the backpack, with the whole heap of different chip them in it. Better man just invest in one of them there for go stream. Even though they're expensive, are $2,000, $3,000 US dollar. I don't remember what normally over here say, at daytime. But the place I got lit tomorrow and Sunday. Everybody are fully set up. Over here, so don't even set up the right way good. You understand? The Health and Wellness Center. Mobile. But we just walk through same way. I forgot invest in one of the backpack with the SIM. With the SIM them with about 10 SIM card in it. And you have it on your backpack. And you stream with that where you switch between data. So you get a good. I'm still vexed as to how it behave. Disappointed. I probably should have, true to them not so full, I probably should have just work with the digital Wi-Fi router thing when I have. Straight here. But one thing with them thing that when you have it in a crowd, it don't work none at all. So that's the thing what I don't like with the digital. But as you can see, them do some different kind of setup. So now I say, this is what? Cafe latte special. Wagwan, everything Irish. I never look Wagwan because I come in there now. So we have this. Oh, cookie and cream. Shaja God. Oh, look here, man. Father God. Now me look like me want to try one of them here. Watch ya, man. Me love how the place I look. You know, say all of this a weekend here, so I go ram me now. Boy, look like I hear say it a go on. Hey, hot dog. You know, say me no love how them flyers are so pretty. Then two jag me in, you know. They sit there and say, come in, come by. Why they so pretty? Oh God. Big up on yourself, you know good? Alright. Boy, you not go walk for this a weekend with this a setup. I'm sorry for you. You better get 10 more smarty. Lovely owner, she's coming around. What's she there? Oh my word. Mommy, I see that. Oh my word. You see your staff member, them I show you up and I say, woo! I just look like I say, I'm tired. I'm Jamaica Walk By. I'm currently streaming live. I'm making sure the people them know where they must come. You understand? But it look like me can't. Yeah. So now I don't know how much attention you can get. Because you're going to need about 10-20 more somebody with the looks of this place. Because right now my tribe twist just looking upon the thing them. You understand? When I look up on the menu over there, so I don't even know if I want to slide. I don't know if I want to smooth or burn up with the sunshine. Tropical thing. I don't know what is going on, but I want to try something. I see all hot dog here, so what a setup. I love this setup. How things are going?
It is going on good so far. We were normally on the front around there, but they moved all the restaurants to this side. So it's a little bit slow in the morning, but as they go by, persons are pick up. Persons are finding out because persons are walking to find us. Because one of the things that we do here, when persons buy a certain amount, they get something. So they have, you notice that you have some little stuff over there, cups and all of that. Yeah. So we give away a lot of stuff right here.
So hold on, we start behind the crowd tomorrow, you know.
We know the crowd, we work the crowd, and the crowd will wait for us.
We're ready for something right and now, and I have to go look at the guy, all our hands, them pull up. And
we are full.
Sit me tribe just a twist. Oh my word, look at man. Oh God, which one of them is your favorite?
Cookie and cream.
Cookie and cream?
Yes.
Anything cookie and cream?
Anything cookie and cream.
Oh my word. You on Instagram?
Yes, I am, but I'm not up, but I'm getting there.
Alright, you need the Instagram page, you know. Where are you located right
I'm located at Old Harbour Road, Cowans Plaza.
Cowans Plaza.
We are right beside St. Jacob Farm Supply, where the NCB machine is. We are right there.
Right there, so.
Yes.
Alright, so once I pass, I must stop and get all
yes.
of these.
And we have the favorite one that is always going fast on Old Harbour Road, Manpower. Yes, they have the almond peanut granola oats. Yes, flaxseed, flower seed, pumpkin seed.
have that one there available, you know?
Every time.
No other one. They want to try the manpower.
The manpower.
Power.
Yes.
Yeah,
I'll make it for you.
You'll make it for me?
Yes.
So especially I'm going to put you my little secret tonight.
Yeah, man. All the time.
Jesus. Oh my word, milkshakes and all of the good things, them hot dog, it's gonna be beautiful, I'm telling you. So, yeah. So me just make a little order and things, so see if I can get my own, and it's going to be lovely. So yeah, I don't put the camera upon me from there, but I don't go two side yet. The way the venue big and night forward, so I'm gonna see how I'm going to do it tomorrow. So see, the first time I show myself from there, you understand, with the bush hat, come out decent, ready for the sun. The sun not really burn me up today, but definitely cafe latte when me stand up right now. I'm gonna just close it right now, so our battery I get low and thing. But massive big up, respect, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to Jamaica Walk By. On our way to 400,000 subscribers. I can't even believe I'm actually saying on our way to 400,000 subscribers. That is crazy, and it felt like it was just yesterday I was asking for 1,000 subscribers, and then I remember trying to get 100,000, and it is unbelievable to see where I am. Lexi, you can carry my phone, please. Let me see who I want I talk. So let me see if I can big up some people quick and fast before I come off of this thing. Alan B, let me know so you've been here, you know. So yeah, let me see what I go on inside of the chat room before me leave. Alright, let me see what I go on. Oh yeah man, the bonfire upon Starlink. Starlink you know ready. Elan, you need to do something about it, but the roaming aspect for this thing always flat, and as you move really, it's a jump off like a joke thing. Yeah, that is not cool. So I'm looking at chat. Chat could have been way better than this, but because of the bad service and them thing there. Yeah, me not like that. You see me? So, Mummy Cadine Sterling, blessings and respect. Yo, Noel. I'm not sure if on my internet, but the live. Yeah man, it had gone bad earlier, but we're good now. So, as you can see, hold on there. Alright. So, boom bang, let me hold this right now so we can get the, yeah. So, let me see. So, Mummy Cadine Sterling. So, big up yourself every time, Mummy Cadine Sterling. Heart of love to you always, you know what I mean? Always been true for Jamaica Walk By. Yo, Noel, the internet good now, man, but on Starlink, it not going good. So, right now, I'm going to deactivate my service. I'm not going to continue with this. Rather, big up yourself, Walk By. Big up yourself, Walk By. Yeah, so big up yourself, Delroy, heart of love and respect in all aspects. You see me? Garfield Morris, blessings and respect always. So with us, I will have vibe. I'm going to close it right here, so because you don't know, we have so many persons on the stream today, and then boom, the stream just went down like a joke. So I don't know where them dip on. See them jump off a while ago as me attack and the thing stationary now move. So I don't know. You see me? Melanie, big up and respect every time. So let me see what I go on for me. So right now, I try to get a manpower. Because I go power up. You understand? So. Eh? Yeah man, she have to put a little extra kick in it, you understand? Yeah. But like a little vibe, I call like a chill spot this, you know what I mean? Yeah. You wanna look good now, man? Now showing all our Jamaican ladies, man. They come, man. When they come by. You understand? So, I get a manpower from all these walking and sitting. So, make we see how it go. You know what I mean? So, it'll go crazy. So, look good. Noel, you know, say that for the night, I don't see you. I'm actually at cafe latte, you know what I mean? I get some manpower for power up. And I can't mix the pink top. Natural honey. On here. So I'm going to wait. We have video on TikTok. Of course, you're lucky to show me I use the phone. Turn the wall out. I got to turn the wall out in a star. You don't know where it goes. I'm not lucky and next week me I start back. So, me I don't know. Like sister. So, we are all a vibe. So, I could talk before me go and cut off or go on. Garfield, so we are dealing. So, Denbigh is actually a family event. So, it is very good for family. Hold on, let me turn the camera. Oh there, over there, round there. Last it now. How we find them nice work here, eh? I saw them. Hold on, you shot me a while ago. Eh? Hold on. How you see me? Are you see me and shot me? How you know see me after me look so hard and my bush cap and sit? Eh? So you make sure you mark my face. Oh my word. Yeah. But you didn't hide a while ago.
No, because
let me tell you how me work now. At one time you just dip on your grandma, somebody say, me see you walk by video so you know you're dip on it.
Yeah, true.
You can't just, you see when you see me, you don't get video already. All you have to come to me and say, yo, please, I can delete that one, then I'm going to say no. Yeah. You see how you know, I'm going to search for you. Now see you? See if I come catch you today, I see you where somewhere. You understand? Because all you taught me, I zoom you up. They say you don't want to see, so we can zoom you up and see things, you understand? Yeah. You ever know a style when you get mountain, if you don't accept the mountain, then just continue. When you just accept it, then just switch. Yeah, you see how she run this up? What then call you finey? You say a little bit?
Walk by?
Yeah, I mean this is a manpower. Cheese and peace.
Manpower, so taste it and see.
Power up. Lord have mercy. Watch you, man. Look good now, man. So, this name manpower.
Alright.
And she give me a straw. This is like the only time I have to use straw. Listen to me, G. When I use straw to drink coconut, we try with that one, yeah? Because as you can see, full to the brim. Yeah, so I can't sup it out of that local tap here. Yeah, so, I can see what I go on. But real Jamaican not drink coconut with straw as a man. Yeah, so man must be man. Oh, you go. Man must be man. You don't want a jelly back. No. That's why we say power up. By mommy, cafe latte, right by Old Harbour Road. I can't miss her. You understand? Let me try it. 10 out of 10. Jesus, please, so good, man. Oh my word. Right now, me does a bill. And we look here good. All of them promotion, yeah. Me not anywhere you hear me go talk about, me have a sample. You understand? So you see this, you know? All I man them when we hit on zero, forward yourself. Come power up.
Over here.
See all the number they on it. You don't call her, tell her say I walk by and you see. I talk about it. Jesus. Mama! Oi! The man does a chat out movement. For how long the man there over there does a chat out movement? Let's see. You just have a man that chat out no man the whole day. How are you, man? Yes, this.
Wait now, come here.
Oh, I will try this out.
This honest opinion? Yeah. Alright.
This name power up.
Manpower.
Your manpower.
Look at extra.
You say yeah, keynote. Tell me if I talk too loud, you know.
Nice.
So if I talk too loud, you know, say gone.
How much rum I put in there?
It bossy. Smooth. Oh my word.
Alright.
See it there? I don't know, let's see I'm special. You don't tell me if I talk too loud, you know. If I talk loud, you gone.
Anyone inside showed for me, I carry him back. I'm going to put him up.
I don't know, I drink look up, trunks hit me ears and black up. I don't know what my fault.
Hey, come here, you, hey!
Yeah, the way you have your shop, I talk loud. Ears and black up. So look how me special now. Me get the boss, make it for myself. Not even work and then couldn't come up to the back, but just a man, when you manpower.
And guess what, we also have woman power too, you know, but it has blueberry in it.
Don't give up, this is what. Me don't want no, listen, don't do nothing to her.
Oh, we can't go up, see the better you drink.
No man, listen. My daughter 3 and I decide I'm not going again. I'm alright. The one time I know be a good father and think it's too expensive.
Yeah.
I'm good. I go on back. You can take her back here, my boss. Take some for me, here. Watch out. Like you look for me and say, what kind of man this here?
You know, say sure you're a woman, eh? See your dad.
Me now, if me I go watch a woman, man, I must see me carve that one and make it myself. So blessings and respect, massive. What's up, vibe? The clothes are one right here, so a cafe latte, you know what I mean? It's been a great vibe. This is nice. I want to sit down and drink this for myself. I can't just sit down and drink and have to go talk to you. You understand? Because I have to drink it fast so I can jump in the van and go home. You understand? So this has been Denbigh 2026 for Friday. So remember, tomorrow is Saturday. Day after tomorrow Saturday and come shell along the whole ends them where you see me show. And Sunday the final day, you don't know, concert, basing thing, Ray, all the family. When you just forward that say Jamaica Walk By on the seat pan and make you come try it. All of my foreigner them will tell me, Lord, me not a box much foreigner. I hold on the left and foreign come to Jamaica for this and them be a good God. So I can see how the place set up nice and decent. This wasn't right here so last year, but it there right as now. So come on, check it out. See it there. I go and deal with some manpower right as a nice spot. There are lots of other products here. You have the summer vibe, you have the tropical mango. I love mango products, so definitely then can't spoil that. So you don't know a thing go. Me don't know a boss now go spoil, but you see that tiny one around there, so she probably is spoiling. You understand? So if you're a chocolate lover too, you have chocolate products there. Me see one double chocolate chip right there, so and you have sandwiches too. So you can come as a come drink it breakfast, lunch and dinner. We know say you get some good worker in there, you work at them. So sometimes you know a flat business, so look how dibby worker. Yeah, you know what place me go and like a worker so to me say come talk to me and I say no, and then the boss call me and say, me can't believe after me see you come to the place and I'll tell you say then can't do this and then can't do that. You hear? So this is how we do it. So